Are you running? Jogging? Show me you're jogging. Show me some more jogging, Nev. Jogging? You wanna ride that horse? Rock it, rock it. Rock, rock, rock. Rock, rock, rock.
Banana. Banana.
Your car's going by? Car. A car? Car, good. That's good. Car. Go, car, go. Car. Fan. Camera. 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 Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You can throw? Throw! Oh, yeah, a good wind-up. That was a long wind-up. Nevin! Show me your belly button. Here's your belly button. Here it is. You got it? There it is. You gonna throw? You got it? Good job. Good job. Nope, just take that. I don't know what else is under there. Just take the block. Good job. You gonna throw some more? Throw! Oh, you want that one? Throw! You throw them. Nevin. Can you count to 2? 1.
2.
Nice. Hey, how many blocks are there? 1.
2.
The sun and the earth are colliding. Oh my goodness. Does the sun go in the puzzle? Right there, right? Just take it all out, huh? Oh, ouch. It didn't hurt your toe? Where does the sun go? The bird goes there, right? Good job. The sun goes somewhere. Oh, I'm not going to see now. The leaf comes out. Is it frustrating? You got it. Got it. Nev, how many puzzle pieces do you have? 1?
2. 2.
Did you just wipe your nose on that pillow?
That's right, yo.
Nevin. That's a good dance. I like it.